Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your CodeMechanic, and today we're tackling a question I get all the time. You've just finished a drive. You turn off the engine, get out of your car, and then you hear it. A series of clicks, ticks, or pings coming from under the hood. Is your car about to fall apart? Is it sending you a secret message? Or is it perfectly normal? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let me put your mind at ease. In 99% of cases, those clicking and ticking sounds are completely normal. It's the sound of your car cooling down. Think about it. Your engine and exhaust system get incredibly hot when you're driving. We're talking hundreds of degrees. When you shut the engine off, all those metal components start to cool down and contract. This contraction isn't perfectly smooth. Different metals and different parts cool at slightly different rates. As they shrink, they can shift and move against each other, creating those distinct clicking or pinging noises. The primary culprit is usually the exhaust system. This includes the exhaust manifold, the catalytic converter, and all the pipes running to the back of the car. These parts get extremely hot, especially the catalytic converter, which operates at very high temperatures to burn off pollutants. As they cool, the metal contracts, and the heat shields surrounding them also contract. This movement creates the sounds you hear. It's like when you pour cold water into a hot glass and hear it crackle. It's the same basic principle of thermal contraction. So if you hear a few clicks for a couple of minutes after a drive, just think of it as your car letting out a little sigh of relief after a good run. But what about that 1%? When should you be concerned? Well, the key is to pay attention to the type of sound and when it happens. If the clicking is rhythmic and consistent, and it only happens during the cool-down period, you're likely fine. However, if the clicking sound is present while the engine is still running, that's a different story. Clicks or taps from a running engine could indicate issues like low oil pressure, worn-out valve lifters, or other internal engine problems that need immediate attention from a mechanic. Another warning sign is if the clicking is accompanied by other symptoms. For example, if you hear the clicks and also notice a burning smell, fluid leaks under the car, or see any warning lights on your dashboard, don't ignore it. A burning smell could indicate an oil or coolant leak onto the hot exhaust, which is a potential fire hazard. Similarly, if the clicking sound is more of a loud, sharp bang or clunk rather than a light tick, that could signal a more serious mechanical issue, like a problem with the catalytic converter's internal structure breaking apart. So, to sum it all up, light, irregular ticking, or pinging noises from the engine bay, or under the car for a few minutes after you shut it off are almost always just the normal sounds of metal cooling down and contracting. It's a sign your car was working as it should. But if the noise happens while the engine is running, sounds unusually loud or harsh, or comes with other symptoms like leaks or warning lights, it's time to get it checked out by a professional. Don't let a small issue turn into a major repair bill. I hope this helps clear up the mystery of the post-drive clicks. It's one of those little quirks of car ownership that can be worrying if you do you and know what's causing it. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And subscribe for more straight-talking car tips. Got a question about a weird noise your car is making? Drop it in the comments below, and I might feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.